Welcome to another episode of the Lay Mob.
I'm leaning on a 1972 Chevy Nova 4-door. She's a beaut. She's a little bit green, a little bit crusty, but overall pretty solid car.
This is a 77 Oldsmobile Omega that might be one of the slowest cars to come out of the 70s. Today we've got 1,320 feet of beach bend raceway and a combined 222 horsepower between these two cars. We're going to get them out on the drag strip to see which one is the lamest and deserves a much needed makeover.
Hopefully we make it to the end of the strip in one piece at least. I don't have much faith in them.
Yeah, we did bring a fire extinguisher, so hopefully we're not going to need that.
It's going to be up to driver skill today, I think. All right, I'm ready to go see how fast these things are.
Oh no, there he goes! There he goes! Come on!
Oh man! Chop, chop, chop! Oh crap, he's kind of close. Why is it this close? Oh, he's catching me. Oh crap, this is a lot closer than I thought it would be. Oh man! Woohoo! Man! Woohoo! Ugh. Dude, this thing's a turd. That burnout I did, I literally put it in low gear and then I floored it for a while and just didn't do anything, and then I kind of just manipulated my foot just a little bit with the throttle and it started spinning after 6 seconds of it being basically flat out.
Yeah, in the burnout box, the Omega is lame. The Nova, on the other hand, it lights the tires right up.
It's easy, it's kind of fun.
Yeah. So the Omega ran an 1825, this ran a 1769 first.
Yeah, that was intense. I did not expect it to be that quick at all. Yeah. I kept thinking that I'm gonna pull away, but it was at the start I pulled away, but then it was dead even the rest of the way. It was cool.
With the exception of one pass, both cars every time 75 miles an hour. Honestly, like both of these cars were faster than I thought they would be.
And the fact that both of them were kind of similar made it a lot of fun. I thought it was gonna be kind of boring, but that was kind of exhilarating in a weird way.
Yeah, the Nova would actually take off and set you back in the seat for a second, but that all kind of just fell off as you got a little bit of speed going. I've kind of felt this way all along, but this just kind of drives home. The Nova is good as is.
Yeah.
I wouldn't change it. It is not lame. It is cool.
Yeah, it's got its crusty vibe to it, but I'm kind of digging it. The more and more I see it and the more and more I sit in it, I dig it. This thing, I don't know.
I don't even want to drive it.
Yeah.
It sucks. It's lame.
Maybe the performance of this thing makes me jaded of how it looks. It's just not fun anywhere in the spectrum.
Super lame.
It deserves as much love as it can get. Going into it, I thought the two-door factor would be cool, and then the four-door would automatically be lamer because it's not as sporty, but driving experience, hands down, Nova gets it.
The next episode, we're going to do some burnouts and see which one is lamest.
All right, butternut squash. Ooh.